Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was having some problems with the steamer, and that was because the steam boiler was leaking. We had to replace all the gaskets on the steam boiler as well as in the brew boiler. This is very common with these type of machines, the Oracle Dutch, and the other machines that share the dual boiler system from Breville. So we replaced those gaskets, make sure nothing was leaking inside, and yeah, that's all we did. So let's do a shot of espresso, and then we're gonna be using the steamer. Now the display is that's how it looks like. It's just the camera. It's very bright. Perfect. Now with this tamper, let's insert it into the group head. Let's get a cup as well and extract it. Now this machine takes approximately 6 to 8 seconds of prefusion. Once it happens, the prefusion passes, then it starts extracting coffee by pushing in water through the group head. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso. We're on the 20 grind. We're using a medium roast grind that is a little bit old, so this grind, our specific coffee could probably use a 17 setting instead of a 20. That will make it much slower, and it will have much richer crema than it already did. But as you can see, even though in 20 setting, and even though this coffee is pretty old, we got a good shot of espresso, good crema, looking great. Now for the steamer, as you can see, that nice steady steam coming out of the steamer one. Working perfectly fine. Nice and hot. And hot water, a nice steady stream coming out of the one. And there you have it. Breville One Touch working once again, not having any issues with the steamer. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.